Hello, in this video we will learn how to top up your personal account with cryptocurrency, specifically USDT Tron TRC20. To do this, you need to log into your personal account and make sure your account is verified. Now go to your wallet and enter the required amount of units. When selecting the suitable way to add funds, choose cryptocurrency, and in the submenu click on USDT. Please note that the system will charge you a deposit fee. Take this into account when transferring the required amount. Click Pay and wait for a while. A unique wallet number for the transaction is being generated. We recommend that you carefully read everything that is written on this page. Every time you deposit funds, a new wallet address is created. Do not use the same number more than once. You need to create a new application and a new wallet number every time you want to top up your account. Now you need to decide on the deposit method. If you have a crypto wallet on an exchange, you can buy USDT tokens there and make a transfer. If you do not have such a wallet, you can use the Global Unit Pay platform or make a purchase at an exchange point if you have them in your country. We are going to show you how to do this with Global Unit Pay. Log into your account and find the USDT token in the Digital Assets section. If you don't see this section, or if not all assets are displayed, make sure you don't have this filter enabled. It hides wallets with zero balances. Click on the USDT token and select Trade. Then go to Buy Cryptocurrency. Make sure first that there are enough funds on your main account to complete the transaction. Select the account through which you want to pay for the purchase and enter the desired amount of tokens to receive. Please note the information below. Here you can see the transaction fee and the total amount to pay. Please also note that when transferring USDT tokens from Global Unit Pay to your Evorich personal account, a fee will be charged. When you are sure that all the information is correct, click Buy. Excellent! Now you have USDT and you can top up your personal account with it. Open the page on which the wallet address for deposit was generated and copy it. Please note that it is very important to copy the wallet address without spaces. Now go back to the Global Unit Pay page and click on the USDT token. Select Send and carefully enter all the data. In the Blockchain Network box, select Tron TRC20. This is very important to do. If you do not change this box, then the funds will not be credited to your account and will simply be lost. Insert the wallet address in the box at the very bottom, and above indicate the desired amount to transfer. Below you can see the fee and the total amount to spend. If everything is correct, check the box and click Send. A token transfer can take up to 1 hour.